Hello, today we are going to study about the drug name aceticum acidum. The look of the patient of this drug is pale, lean, fabbly muscle and waxy look. You can mnemonize it like PLFW. P for pale, L for lean, F for flabby muscles and W for waxy look. In generals, it is hemorrhagic, prostration of muscles, thirsty and can't sleep on back. Hemorrhage from every mucous outlet like nose, throat, lungs, stomach, bowels, uterus, and prostration after injuries like surgical shock and anesthetics. In thirst, there is intense burning insatiable even for large quantities in dropsy, diabetes, chronic diarrhea, but there is no thirst in fever, and the patient can't sleep on back. Sensation of sinking in abdomen causing dyspnœa if he rests on the back, but always feels better if lying on belly. In gastrointestinal system, the patient feels thirsty, its diarrhea is copious and exhausting with night sweats. In female reproductive system, the drug is sore, belching and vomiting as of pregnancy with profuse salivation day and night. In respiratory system, croupy, hissing respiration, cough with inhalation. Every time he inhales, the cough comes. The fever is hectic fever with dry and hotness of skin, and there is no thirst in fever.